Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is currently the best rubber beads for jewelry making. The 300 pieces silicone beads for keychain making kit by CFKEMZY. Whether you're a crafting enthusiast, jewelry maker, or just love DIY, this kit is a must-have in your creative arsenal. Let's begin with what you're getting in this kit. This isn't just another bag of craft beads. You're getting a whopping 300 pieces of 12mm silicone beads. That's right, 300. And what really sets this kit apart is the color variety. 60 vibrant, beautifully selected colors. Imagine the design possibilities. From pastel tones to bold brights, these beads are ready to complement any theme you're working on. Be it seasonal crafts, birthday gifts, or custom accessories for your shop. Now, let's talk material quality. These beads are made from 100% high-quality silicone. That means they're not only soft and smooth to the touch, but they're also super durable. You won't have to worry about them cracking or fading. These are made to last, whether you're attaching them to keychains that get tossed around in bags or bracelets that go through daily wear and tear. They're also waterproof and easy to clean, which is a huge plus. All it takes is some soap and water to keep them looking brand new. That makes them ideal for items like baby teething accessories, pacifier clips, or even sanitizable badge lanyards. Basically, they stay fresh and hygienic no matter how you use them. Each bead comes pre-drilled with a hole that makes threading a breeze. No more fumbling with tiny bead holes or needing special tools to create your jewelry pieces. Whether you're stringing them on elastic for bracelets or wiring them into keychains, it's quick and hassle-free. What's more, the possibilities for use are endless. Necklaces, bracelets, pens, curtain tie backs, zipper pulls, lanyards. These beads can be used in so many fun and practical ways. And because they're soft and safe, they're also suitable for craft activities with kids. Just keep in mind, the manufacturer recommends use for ages 3 and up. Now if you're someone who enjoys crafting with others, maybe you run workshops, enjoy hosting DIY nights, or want something fun to do with your kids or friends, this kit is the perfect icebreaker. It encourages creativity, storytelling, and personal expression. You'll find yourself making matching friendship bracelets, personalized keychains, or customized bag charms in no time. And let's not forget about gifting. Handmade gifts are always meaningful, and with this bead kit, you can create beautiful keepsakes for birthdays, holidays, teacher appreciation gifts, or just because. It's also a great gift idea in itself for anyone who loves crafts and jewelry making. To wrap this up, the CKEMZY 300 pieces silicone beads kit isn't just about quantity, it's about quality, color range, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner exploring your creative side or a seasoned crafter building inventory, this kit gives you the tools to craft confidently and stylishly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to elevate your crafting game, check out the link in the description to learn more about this amazing bead set. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your DIY project ideas. See you in the next one.